Hey, what's up? Sydney here for 2D Animation 101. You want to know something cool about Pixar? They are experts on having emotional characters. Oh yes, they are. You've got to admit that they do pretty awesome movies. And do you want to know one of the reasons why they are so good at it? Because not only do they have characters with strong emotional lives, no. What they do great is that they express all those emotions they feel. And for you, my fellow animator, this can be the knowledge you need to take your character animations to the next level. Like, if a male character meets someone attractive, he will move his hips towards her to start flirting. Imagine if you knew about other gestures and body language. I'm talking about facial expressions, hand gestures, shoulders, torso, legs, hips, etc. I bet you will feel very confident when you discuss the movements of your character with your director, or with other fellow animators. They will turn to you and say, "Hey, wait a minute. What do you mean when you say that the limbic system is telling the character to run away?" Yup, you will nail every discussion with strong foundations because you will know about body language. So give it a shot and check the free lessons. You might like my teaching style. Or maybe you check it and say, "Nah, what a dump." Or maybe you discover the Holy Grail. This was so cool. Now I know what to do with my characters. I put so much effort into it that I'm sure you're going to love it. If you think it sucked, then we will refund you with no questions asked. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll today. I'll be waiting for you inside.